Hello and welcome back. We're just continuing on in the book. Looks like today we're doing puzzle number 43. If we start with this box, we're missing 3 and 5. We've got a 3 here, so 5, 3. For this row now, we're missing 2 and 9. We've got a 9 here, so 2, 9. For this row, we're missing 3 and 7. We've got a 7 here, so 3, 7. For this box, we're missing 3 and 8. We've got an 8 here, so 3, 8. For this box, we're missing 1, 4, and 5. We've got a 4 here, so 1, 5, 5 here, so 1, 4, and no help here, 1, 4, 5. For this column, we're missing 2 and 3, and I don't see any help, so 2, 3, 2, 3. For this column, we're missing 2, 3, and 6. We've got a 3 here, so 2, 6, no help here, 2, 3, 6. No help here, 2, 3, 6. For this row, we're missing 2, 5, and 6. We've got a 5 here, so 2, 6. 6 covering both of these boxes, and a 5 there. So that makes this our 2, 6, 5. For this box now, we're missing 2, 8, and 9. We've got a 2 and 9 here, so this is our 8. That 9 makes this our 2, 9. We can get rid of this 2 here. For this row, we're missing 1, 2, 4, and 8. We've got an 8 covering both of these boxes, a 2 here, so 1, 4, 1, 4, and 8 here. Means this is our 2. 4 and 8 here means this is our 1, 4, 8. This 1 makes this our 5. We can get rid of this 5. For this box now, we're missing 1, 3, and 6. We've got a 1 and 3 here. So this is our 6. That 6 makes this our 3, 1. We can get rid of this 3. For this column, we're missing 7 and 9, and I don't see any help, so 7, 9, 7, 9. For this column, we're missing 2 and 7. We've got a 2 here, so 7, 2. That 2 makes this our 6, 2. That 2 makes this our 3, 2. For this column, we're missing 1, 4, and 6. We've got 4 covering both of these boxes, so that makes this our 4 and 1. We've got a 1 here, so 6, 1. For this box now, we're missing 7 and 8. We've got an 8 here, so 7, 8. For this row now, we're missing 5 and 6. We've got a 6 here, so 5, 6. For this box, we're missing a 4. For this column, we're missing 1 and 9. We've got a 1 here, so 9, 1. That 9 makes this our 7, 9. For this box now, we're missing 5 and 7. We've got a 7 here, so 5, 7. And for this box, we're missing 3 and 8. We've got a 3 here, so 8 and 3. And there we have it for today's puzzle. Thank you so much for joining me again today. I hope you have an awesome day, and I will see you back here tomorrow for our next puzzle.